Triple door fridges sound great on paper. 3 separate compartments. Your veggies stay away from your ice cream. Everything stays fresh longer. But here is the thing. Does that actually work in real life or is it just marketing? I've been testing the Whirlpool 270L Protton Roy for the past few weeks and I have some opinions. Some things impress me, some things not so much. Let me walk you through everything. Hi, I am Pooja. Welcome to Clearby. I spend my time testing TVs and home appliances. So if you enjoy honest, practical advice, tips and tricks that help you avoid costly mistakes, consider subscribing. Inside the box, you get the refrigerator unit itself, an egg tray that holds 8 eggs, an ice tray, pretty standard stuff, nothing extra. Design-wise, it's a 3-door setup, freezer on top, main fridge in the middle and the vegetable compartment at the bottom. The overall look is clean in the alpha steel finish. But let me tell you what I found during actual use. The toughened glass shells are rated to hold up to 90 kgs, so that's solid. But the plastic parts on the inside, especially the ones you see right at the front, the build quality there feels average. The door gaskets are another thing. They are slightly less magnetic than what I've seen on Samsung or LG fridges. The gasket shape is a bit off on our unit and they are non-removable, so you can't take them out for cleaning. On the practical side, there are 2 wheels at the back, so sliding it into position is easy. The built-in stabilizer works across 160 to 300 volts, which means most households won't need an external one. Now let's start from the top. The freezer. You get one ice twist maker that makes 24 ice cubes at a time, an ice cream tray and one empty compartment for storing frozen food. There is a knob with normal and max freeze settings. No digital display. No temperature markings on the knob either. So you are basically guessing. It's a thermostat style control, old school. Now you can remove the ice cream tray and ice cube box. But for the ice cube box, you actually need a screwdriver to take it out. That's a small annoyance. So the main fridge section. This is where you will spend most of your time. You have got 5 compartments separated by 3 toughened glass shells. Right at the top is the Deli Zone. It has its own little knob, low, mid, high. So you can set a slightly different temperature just for this section. I've been keeping dairy, butter and chocolates here and it actually makes a difference. Nice touch. Below that, you have got 3 more compartments for your regular storage. Water bottles, container, leftovers, whatever you need. The door side has 3 baskets and an egg tray that holds 8 eggs. Smaller bottles and cans go on top. Bigger bottles sit comfortably at the bottom. Now, the LED lamp. Brightness is good, no complaints there. But the way it's placed between the glass shells, it just looks outdated. Like it belongs in an older model. It works, but it doesn't look clean. The bottom compartment is a 32-liter active fresh zone. This is where Whirlpool's tech story kicks in. First, Zeolite technology. Zeolite is a natural mineral that absorbs ethylene gas. That's the gas your fruits and vegetables release as they ripen. By trapping that gas, it slows down ripening and keeps your produce fresh longer. Whirlpool claims up to 2x freshness, and from my testing, leafy greens and tomatoes did hold up noticeably longer compared to what I've seen in regular double-door freezers. Then there is Microblock technology. This one is baked directly into the compartment material during manufacturing. It's not a filter you replace. Whirlpool says it prevents up to 99% bacterial growth. So your food isn't just staying cold. The surface it sits on is actively fighting bacteria. And the third piece is moisture retention. Cold air flows around the compartment instead of blowing directly on your vegetables. That's why your greens don't wilt as fast. They are not getting dehydrated by direct airflow. This whole vegetable section is designed for families of 3 to 4 people. On warranty, you get 1 year comprehensive and 10 years on the compressor. Annual energy consumption is rated at 190 kWh per year. Whirlpool markets it as consuming less energy than a 60-volt CFL bulb running all day, which honestly is a decent number for a triple door. It's a reciprocating compressor, not an inverter. But in reality, inverter compressors are more efficient in cooling and power consumption than non-inverter compressors. Coming to pricing, this is available around 30,000 rupees on Flipkart depending on offers. For a triple door with these freshness technologies, it's competitive. Most double door fridges in this capacity range are around 22 to 28,000 rupees. So you are paying roughly 3 to 8,000 extra for the third compartment and the freshness tech. So here are the things I genuinely liked. The freshness technology actually works. During my testing, vegetables stayed fresh noticeably longer. So it's not just a marketing claim. I also like the Deli Zone. It's a small feature, but it's genuinely useful for things like cheese, butter, chocolates, or cold cuts. The two rear wheels make moving the fridge surprisingly easy, and the 10-year compressor warranty gives some extra peace of mind. It's not perfect. The first thing you'll notice is the body. It picks up fingerprints very easily. The door gaskets also don't feel as strong as some Samsung or LG models. And since they are non-removable, cleaning them isn't as convenient. One thing that genuinely annoyed me was the temperature knobs. There are no markings at all, so you are basically adjusting them by guesswork. Removing the ice tray box isn't easy either. You actually need a screwdriver. And finally, Whirlpool is still using a reciprocating compressor here instead of an inverter compressor. It's not loud, but you do hear a mild hum occasionally, and power consumption is slightly higher compared to inverter models. So, would I recommend it? I would say yes, but only if your priority is keeping food fresh and staying organized. That's where this fridge genuinely stands out. The triple door design is practical. The freshness technology actually delivers. And for a family of 3 to 4 people, the storage layout just makes everyday use easier. If you are someone who pays close attention to build quality, premium finishing, or wants the efficiency of an inverter compressor, then Samsung and LG have stronger options in this price range. For me, this fridge gets the important things right, but there are a few finishing touches that could have been better. This was my honest take on this Whirlpool triple door refrigerator. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to Clearby. It genuinely motivates me to keep testing products and sharing honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. I am Pooja from Clearby. Until next time, don't just buy. Clearby. See you soon.